Ayo, last lang.
Personal foul by Brent Barnella. Team Poloy. Hands up that by Cortez. Handler, yes sir, 2 points. Here goes Cortez. Shot on his hand. Big pass. Number 17. Cortez. Padilla. Back to Cortez. Draw from the corner. Number 61. And 3 points. Brent Fernando. 15 seconds on the shot clock. I'll ball the pass from the corners. And again. Suarez, follow up jumper, miss. The rebound number 17 pass from the play forward. Hands up. Nice inside the paint. Let's say basketball. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Seconds on the shot clock. Cortez again. Nice Suarez. Rebounds back to Suarez. 15 seconds on the shot clock. And rebound number 17. 15 seconds on the shot clock. And again, people at Padilla. Nice off there. Number 12. And this is another out. Turnover. Substitution. The official score 49 against 32 in favor of the Lancers. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Chris Russell. With a foul by Chris number 42. Called out Ben Padelli, a bad for third personal foul, second team foul. And 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 17, the off the board, Cortez. Scores off, yes sir! Off the board, Douglas Cortez. And a nice break by number 18. 24 for Costa. And another rebound for number 17. Phoenix play. Best. Padilla. Yes, sir. 2 points early. Abel Padilla. No pass. Substitution. Six minutes and 50 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock down to 10. Number 24, Scotty Combs. And a nugget. Out of bounds. Same basketball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Offensive foul. Offensive ball by Chris number 43, backdoor fourth personal foul. Miguel Padilla. 13 foul, Pimenezes. Substitution. And the time base is space to play behind. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Top plus on the pass to number 22. Yes, sir! 2 points with on the team, Rafael Suarez. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds. And pick us up for a second. Play off for the lead, 2 points. Then, Caminoa. 15 seconds on the shot clock. And with the foul. With the call by Chris number 13. Substitution. First personal foul by John Santana. Team foul for Limonenses. Shot by Sam. And 3 points. Arizona. Number 29, nice pass on the board, 3 points. Anybody listen? Substitution. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock, 14 seconds. Nice pass, Papasa. On the ball by Chris number 11, Pino Cruz. Second personal foul by Chris number 11, Rich Domo. There's a rebound, nice pass! Nice rebound, Pablo. Number 12, gets on, gets up, possessions on pace, every time. Same basketball, right seconds on the shot clock. Seconds on the shot clock. Now speed. Intercepted. 4 minutes and 4 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Giannis for Green. And
55-44.
Official score 55 against 44. Ang mga nagyapon ng Bebelenses. Remaining. Nice pass. Yes, sir. On ball play by number 11. Grace Coco. William Piscinoso. Prevented by Grace Coco playing on Francis Pisana. Francis Pisana makes the second personal foul. Another foul by personal foul, Jesse Pisana. Third personal foul. Penalty. First field. We'll have 3 minutes. Number 10. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 3 at Papo. Got it. That's what we got. 10 seconds. 5. 4. What a nice team by Big House. Three minutes and 8 seconds. Three minutes and 5. Barbosa, part of the purple. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Ball chopper, Nugget. Knee down by number 20 pass by 11. Pass on, spin with three. Yes, sir! Jesse Pisana. 2 minutes 45. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Matias. Anderson, nice team. By number 71. Back on the line. Basketball! Jesse Pisana. Well, the call official 18. Second personal foul by official 18. We made it to the 15 seconds. And now, number 14, Dallas. Shot on 10. And count. And the ball to first number 9. The ball to first number 39. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds. And something is coming, especially made. Barbosa, yes sir, team boys. Barbosa. 1 minute, 25 seconds. Nice defense. And now sports. Stephen number 11. Going on, base number 3. Helen Lapapo. 1 minute time remaining. And the message from Townsend. Second personal foul by jersey number 20. Hustle. And beat up the subversion. With Chris Booth, the way number 18, Barbosa. Official score 67 against 51. Also 67 against 51. Congratulations. How about the Nugget? We have big back. Almost 71. 2 points. The rest of the Thunder. Seconds. 35 seconds. Up next. And timeout, big welcome to the Guardian jersey number 12 for Phoenix House. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. The top winning of 27 seconds score 69 against 51. Also 69 against 51. And Deborah team Big Blasters. The clock down to 10 seconds. And a short return. With a foul by Juicy number 29. Second personal foul by number 29. And Daniel Wilson. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. And the first number with official score 69 against 51. The most points 69 against 51. In favor of Team Baby Lancers. With the last person is David Rodcast. Winner number 1 will face number 2, Group B, USLM. And loser number 4 will face USPF number 1, Group B.
Figure beauty.
And it has the ball game start for fourth quarter. David Lansford's basketball. Here's number 61, now passing number 42. Padilla. Number 61, the Montes. Ball jumper, man, stops the block. Shoved out down to 10. And passing plays, to number 61. And out of bounds. And that's same basketball, 20 seconds. Jump goes down to 15. Suarez. Miguel Sana. Pass to number 28. Down the corner. Yes, sir. 2 points. Pass Suarez. 15 seconds on the shot clock. And that good lead off with number 8, Santiago. Pass to Gonzalo, 14. And remember, out of bounds. Almost 16, pass. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Hopkins pass. Hopkins is from the corner. 3 points. Graham Fernando. Taylor pass. Number 28. Plus. Still go down 10. Just was foul jersey number 61, Graham Fernando, second personal foul, team 21. 3 shots for Suarez. The penalty is number 19, holding foul with Suarez. And double team count for the second motion. Jersey number 61 from David Estes and jersey number 8 from David Rodriguez. minutes, 10. Number 16, Gomez. Second basketball. 16 seconds on the shot clock. And time out! Premium answers with a time remaining of 8 minutes and 8 seconds for the people against 55. And never of the premium answers. Back to the ballgame. Back to the ballgame. Number 61 for 3. And 3 points for Arnaldo. A nice pass to the play. 2 points with number 28. Javas. $15 seconds on the shot clock. Montgomery, Bale to up, back to Bale, underneath Bale, and a nugget. Nice keep it up 6-1. Seven minutes, 20 seconds. Padilla, back up 24, shot clock 10. Lopez for Green, and a nugget. Maybe one pass basketball. Seven minutes. 15 seconds. 7 seconds. First football foul by number 24, good time. Free Patel in the offense. 21 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 12. Takes on a nice pass. Off the ball play by Jose Inorango. Now, Pirates can have all the club for the next quarter. Score is 79 against 59. 20-point lead of the Lancers. And 3 points. Jose Rosa. Foul by jersey number 18. Quick personal foul by jersey number 18, Bob Bartasa. 14 foul by the Olympics. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Penalty. Who's coming? With a foul by jersey number 12. Second personal foul by jersey number 12, Kane Bonfado. Penalty disappointment. Stop position. The Yankees number 18. Stop it, boss. Yes, sir. 3 points. By number 18, Bob Perkasa. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. And now, jersey number 20. Shot clock down 10. Bench over the pass. Shot clock down the point. Very well. Out of bounds. Four minutes and 15 seconds. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 18, Patasa. Shot clock down to 10. Very negative. Nice pass. The ball is number 14. Number 14, that's a fourth personal foul. James Ellis. Fourth personal foul. Penalty. And the first number 1 foul. That will be back. 20 minutes to 55. Gonzalez. Great. Slice the defense. First goes along. That's expensive. The score 81 against 64. 81 against 64 in favor of the Rangers. Shot clock down 4 seconds. Cortez. Shot clock 10. Ball jumper Nugget. And that is better foul. Better foul committed by Jason Longer at 11. Here's number 11, that's a third personal foul, that's still on. 3-2 foul for the Lancers. Three minutes and 20 seconds. Just on 10. Traveling. Number 1 gets basketball. 3 minutes on the ring. And then put the jumper, 2 points. Play number 11, Hallelujah. And Steve, play number 29. Russell Lutzel, play with jumper, Benagin. Penalty. Here's number 18, with the 4th personal foul, Don Perdosa, 4th personal foul. And first sweeper by number 11, Max Cutlaw. And the negative. 2 minutes and 25. Number 18, Patosa. Gets high. The negative. Di pa may napakwini. Ano sa outlet? Patosa, Piampes. Paul Chopper is running. Piampes, 2 points. This is Losa. And foul is just number 12. Big personal foul by James Alvaro. Penalty. And it's half a minute for the next one. Down to 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Score 82 against 17. 12 na lang ang napaw sa Baby Lancers. Please focus on one. And a equal violation. Same basketball. 14 seconds on the shot. And still minutes. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Hands up negative. Out of bounds. Set up position. And time. Baby, one pass. Time remaining down to 1 minute and 40 seconds score. 83 against 72. 11-point lead, Baby Lancers. Back to the home game. Back to the home game. There's the whistle. Again, what's on that? We'll call the first number 20, Duncan Powell. Number 20, no sir, that's a third personal foul. 14 foul, Kevin answers. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Oh, that's 1 minute 40 seconds. And negative people for number 20, the foul, penalty. And a foul by jersey number 18, gets a big personal foul, foul out. One minute and 32 seconds. The score 84 against 72. Number 12, Brock. Close Walker. Haggett. Number 16. Long pass to Ventana. It's her 2 points. Nancy Ventana. It's away, 2 points. By jersey number 12, Mary Papano. 1 minute to fight. 1 minute. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock set. Contest. The last jersey number 12, Chelsea Ventana, 2 points. 50 seconds. 40 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds. And 3 points. Chelsea Ventana. And there's also a foul by jersey number 24. Third personal foul is penalty. 24 seconds, not remaining. Seconds. And in the ball game for this selection, Newby Kevin Lazarus with a high score of 91 against 75. And the Tuesday semifinal stage, July 20th.